NFT CollectionMaker. Unlimited traits, deep rarity setting and damp. Not available anywhere else. Multi-image traits. Generate massive crypto NFT art collections automatically with TTC AI tech and damp. Have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible. Deploy your NFTs on Ethereum blockchain right from the dashboard. Results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Not financial advice. Info about NFT collections sales is just a report on what happened. World's #1 NFT CollectionMaker app with TTC AI technology. Generates thousands of arts for collections. Programmatically verified artwork uniqueness. Customize and damp. Deploy your NFTs Ethereum contract right from the dashboard. Cloud app, nothing to install. As easy as it gets to use. Includes free software updates. Highly optimized Ethereum NFT contact. Lowers NFT minting gas fee up to 60%. Founders special deal. Get NFT CollectionMaker now. PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, Windows, Mac, 30-day money-back guarantee. What people are saying about NFT CollectionMaker. Comments from before official release. Here's how easy artwork collection generation is with NFT CollectionMaker. Step 1. Create categories and upload base images. Step 2. Generate preview. Step 3. Export collection. Automatically generate software verified unique artworks that you can sell as NFTs. Are you ready to discover the first to market groundbreaking app with proprietary TTC AI technology, which allows you to automatically generate software verified unique artworks you can sell as NFTs? If so, I'm about to show you a 100% turnkey solution which generates massive NFT collections ready to be sold, and allows you to not only charge one-time payments, but also forever automatically collect passive royalties every time your NFT gets resold on a secondary market, such as OpenSea. TTC AI technology does all the heavy lifting. And don't worry, with our software, generating massive crypto art collections and making them ready to mint on Ethereum by your customers is as easy as it gets. Because of our proprietary TTC AI technology, anyone can make an NFT-ready crypto art collection and put it on the Ethereum blockchain for sale without any prior art or tech experience. What is crypto art NTF? Let me give you a quick explanation in layman terms what crypto art NTF is. Without going into technical details, NFT basically means digital age art print, which works the same as real-world art print just online. But there is a very important twist. It is minted to a blockchain. What is NFT minting? The minting is a digital engraving of the art into a blockchain, in the way that it cannot be removed, but it can change the owner. The result of the minting of art is called NFT. On the high level, NFT simply means one of the kind. What gives crypto art NFTs its value? It is that blockchain immutability which gives crypto art NFT its value, because art minted to NFT can demonstrate verifiable identity and scarcity. NFTs are just the latest realization of a passion that is a natural part of human psychology, collecting objects. That is pretty much everything you need to know about crypto art, minting, and NFT. Discover the crazy world of crypto art NFTs and damp. How a non-artist can get in. So, if you're ready to discover the crazy world of crypto art NFTs and how a non-artist can get in, sell them, and collect passive royalties, keep watching. While you may have heard about NFT arts sold for literally millions of dollars, that is not what we will be talking about here. Because getting the millions-dollar sale for a single art is like winning a lottery. Let's focus on the real collectible NFT art business instead. What is collectible NFT art business? By now, literally hundreds of art collections sized from 2,000 to 10,000 art pieces have completely sold out, and more sell out every week. It is not uncommon for buyers to engage in so-called Ethereum gas wars, where buyers compete and raise the gas tips to the miners, so they mint the just-released NFTs before other buyers can. That hunger for buying NFTs before they are sold out got to the point that for many collection releases the buyers paid more for gas than they paid for the minted NFT itself. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. Lockdown Lemmings case study. Of course, not all collections sold out in minutes, with sales open until enough people learned about the collection, or some influencer or celebrity tweeted about it. For example, a collection named Lockdown Lemmings was selling slowly until Paris Hilton tweeted that it looked cool, and it sold almost immediately after it. Those Lockdown Lemmings were priced at the bottom of the common price range, which is usually anywhere between 0.03 and 0.08 ETH. It means that the sale of 10,000 Lockdown Lemmings at 0.03 brought in about 300 ETH. Results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. What is ETH? For those of you who don't know what ETH is, it is the cryptocurrency commonly used for NFT transactions on Ethereum blockchain. At the time when this video was created, 1 ETH cost a bit over $3,000. This means that Lockdown Lemmings collection's creator sold the complete collection for about $900,000. Many past collections priced at the middle or at the higher end of the common price range have brought in well above $1 million. Initial sales can be really impressive, but there is more. While those initial sales are really impressive, there is more. There are royalties which can be charged from secondary sales. After Lockdown Lemmings collection sold out, the secondary sales were reported at 402 ETH within just about a week. Assuming that 5% royalties are charged, it would be about 20 ETH, or $60,000 from that 402 ETH secondary sales. Results are not typical. You may get worse, better, or no results at all. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. Sneaky Vampire Syndicate case study. There are many collections on OpenSea with reported secondary sales much bigger than that. For example, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate, which also released a few weeks ago, reached secondary sales at 13,000 ETH within about a week. 5% from 13,000 is 650 ETH, or almost $2 millions, just from secondary sales of Sneaky Vampire Syndicate. It is a pretty cool addition to well over $1 million from primary sales if you ask me. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26. There is very little about art collections. Sales in the mainstream news. I bet that you haven't heard anything about those collections in the news, exactly the same way you have not heard about all the others. If you are following crypto Twitter artists and influencers, you may have heard about some of them, but in general all those sales are happening under the radar of the mainstream media. Some of those collections have surprisingly very basic art a sales in 5th grader could make. The even crazier thing is that some of those collections have surprisingly very basic art, including many collections with art that a 5th grader could easily make after school. So it is not about the art details, but rather about the basic idea behind it. Many of the sold-out collections are just animals, or characters dressed in Halloween-like costumes. Last 30 days sales of the top NFTs on OpenSea. Ranked by secondary sale volume from which passive royalties are calculated. Results are not typical. Not financial advice. Ranking screenshot taken September 26.